Okay, so moving on to some questions you might be asked. Before we get there, I just wanted to show you a better drawing of what these normal and skewed distribution looks like. So a normal distribution is symmetric. Your mean, your median, your mode are all in the middle. So it looks like a beautiful little bell curve, and your graph is the same on both sides. When your graph is skewed, it can be skewed either left or right. So when it's skewed left, that means the tail is on the left and the mode is on the right, as you see over here. What you're going to notice here is your mode is at the peak, right? That should make sense. Your mean is still in the middle, though, and your median is closer to your mode, but in between your mean and your mode. Okay, so when your graph is skewed left, your mean is less than your mode. When your graph is skewed right, your mode is less than your mean. So hopefully that helps you visually see kind of what's going on here. When distributions are normal, you can use mean, median, or mode. As your measure of center because they're all the same. But when your distributions are skewed, you want to use median because that's the one that's, it represents your data the best because your mode and your mean can be skewed, but your median is, well, your entire data set is skewed, but your median helps you find more of a middle. As you can see in both of these cases, the median is the more middle number here. So when distributions are skewed, go ahead and use the median as your measure of center. Okay, so a couple multiple choice questions. Choose the correct answer. If the mean is greater than the median, what type of distribution is this? So mean is greater than median. I'm looking right here. Mean is greater than median. That must mean it is skewed right. If the mean is less than the median, so that's just the opposite, that would be skewed left, right? Mean less than the median, right up here, skewed left. If the mean, median, and mode are equal, that's symmetric or normal distribution. So that's what you want to know from those graphs. Libby says a data distribution that is skewed right has a mean, median, and mode in the center of the bell curve. Find and fix her errors. So if a distribution is skewed, all three mean, median, and mode are at different numbers, pretty much. But when it's symmetric, they're all at the same number. So she's saying that her distribution is skewed right. It's not skewed right. Her distribution is normal. If it were skewed right, that would mean this is happening. The mean is greater than the median, which is greater than the mode. Okay, fill in the blank. Skewed right, the mean is what to the median? So maybe you can do this without looking at the graph. If not, skewed right, the mean is what to the median? Greater than the median, right? I'm just going to draw a greater than sign, but if you don't know your signs, that means greater than. Okay, when your mean is less than the median, that is skewed left. And when it's a normal distribution or symmetric, that means the mean, median, and mode are all equal. Okay, determine the mean, standard deviation, and 5-number summary for each data set. Round to the nearest tenth if necessary. This will actually be using our calculator, so I'm going to pause here and get my calculator ready. That way you don't have to watch me get it ready. So go to the next video to see how to do this problem.